our ingredients here onto our havabichi. I'm going to start mixing these in. We have got some butter, graham cracker crumbs. We've got dark chocolate, white chocolate, some M&Ms. We've got our sweetened condensed milk, and we just want to get all of this incorporated. We are making a very special and delicious candy experience today. It's going to be done in a couple of steps, but it's so easy, so rewarding. And I just learned about this recently within the last week or two, and now I am obsessed, and I think you guys are going to be too. I cannot wait for y'all to see how this comes out, to give it a try. You can do it at home, in your own kitchen, on the stove top, or in your oven, like whatever works for you. It can be made totally accessible for any amount of ingredients and any size of treat. All right, we've got this all mixed together well and combined. It smells incredible. I wish you all could smell it through your screen. Whoop. No worries, I got that. Now we're just gonna pick this up and transfer it to our baking tray here. Now you can line yours with parchment. I especially like to do that if I'm using a glass baking tray, a 13 by 9. But for this one, since it is aluminum and it's a little more flexible, I am just going to be placing it directly into our tray. Alrighty, everybody. I'm just gonna pop this in my fridge for about 30 minutes, and then I'll show you what we're doing next. Alrighty, y'all, we let this solidify. Now I've got some melted white chocolate, and I'm gonna go ahead and just drizzle all of this all on here. Oh my goodness. I used half of one of those almond bars, but honestly, I probably could have used the whole thing just on how big this tray is. Let's see here. All right, I'm gonna give this a little spread, see what we can make happen. Oh yeah, beautiful. Now that we've got this all spread, I'm just gonna top it with a little bit of different stuff. I've got some lemon drop candies. I thought these would be fun. Whoop. These might be the kind that you want to spread about with your fingers. Now I got some banana chips. I thought that would be great. Nature's candy, just super natural, from the earth fruit. That looks so cute there with those lemon drops. Lemon flavored, banana flavored. Some dried cranberries. So we'll get a little bit of fiber, help all this beautiful chocolate just process right on through. Yummy. And for some really bright color and fun, I thought we would just use some jelly beans to kind of turn it up a notch, you know? And this chocolate, because we didn't make it too thick, it is just coming together, hardening so quickly. Perfect. Alrighty, I'm gonna put this in my freezer for about 10 minutes and then we'll be ready. Alrighty, y'all. Our delicious treat is ready to serve. I am just going to cut down all the way into this, our beautiful bark. Now it is rather thick because we made it in this tray. So you can always do it thinner if you like. But look at that. Oh my God, doesn't that look amazing? And wouldn't this be perfect for the holidays? Oh my God, so good. That's just amazing. You gotta try it.